In this video, we are going to discuss the stereochemistry of carbon compounds. Let us consider the model for these four molecules where the common thing is that one carbon is attached to it four different groups or atoms. In this molecule, the carbon is attached to it, suppose this white ball, if we consider as hydrogen, it is attached to it four hydrogens. Here, this carbon is attached to it two hydrogen, then one different group, suppose this is amino group and this is OH group. Then this is, in this case, this carbon is attached to it three hydrogen and one amino group. And here, this particular carbon is attached to it four different groups or atoms. In each of the molecule, the carbon is sp3 hybridized and the four bonds, they are directed towards the corner of a tetrahedron. And all these are 3D structures, that means three-dimensional structures. Next, we will place this molecule in front of a mirror and we will see that this will be the mirror image for this molecule. And then we will try to place one over another. Yes. Each of the atom of one molecule is superimposable with the other one. Okay, and then we can conclude that these two are the same molecule. Next, we will consider the other molecule where one of the hydrogen of methane is replaced by some other group. Suppose this is NH2. When we will place this in front of a mirror, then this will be the mirror image of this. Again, the same thing we will do. We will try to place one over another. Yes, again you can see that one molecule is superimposable with another, and we can conclude again that these two are the same molecules. Next, this molecule where the carbon is attached to it two hydrogen, one this I can consider as OH and this is as amino. If we place in front of a mirror, then this will be the mirror image of the original molecule. That means this is object and this is the mirror image. Again, I'll try to place one over another. Yes, again, in this case also, they are superimposable with each other, right? Then, next, we'll bring the molecule where the central carbon, this is the central carbon, it is attached to it four different groups or atoms. This is hydrogen, this is methyl group, this is amino, this is the OH group, right? Now, in front of the mirror, if we place each other, in front of the mirror, if I place this molecule, then this will be the mirror image of this, right? And if I try to place one over other, right, here we will see that there is a problem, right? This methyl is superimposable with this methyl, this hydrogen is superimposable with this hydrogen, but now this amino group and this is OH group, this is amino group, this is OH group. That means the whole molecule is not superimposable with each other. That means these two are two different molecules. Now what we can conclude that when a carbon atom is attached to it four different groups or atoms, then it can exist as an object and a mirror image. And these two molecules are not superimposable with each other, right? They are not superimposable with each other. We have already observed they are not superimposable with each other. Two cis methyl group or these two hydrogens are superimposable with each other, but this OH group and this amino group, here also this amino group and this OH group, they are not superimposable. That means these two are different molecules. And in this case, this type of carbon, when it is attached to it four different groups or atoms, and when its mirror image is not superimposable with the object, right, then this type of carbon atom is called a chiral carbon atom. CHIRAL, chiral, right? And this is the basic concept of, this is one of the basic concept of stereochemistry.